So my name is Sharaine Kamakau. I'm from the Big Island. I'm a non-traditional graduate student. I started at UH Hilo over a decade ago, and I took a big break, and then I decided to take a plunge and come to West Oahu and finish my online degree in social science, emphasizing in psychology. And I finally did it, graduated in December of 2023. I sought math because that was the greatest challenge for me. And but on the other hand, my strength was in writing. However, as I took creative writing, because my goal someday, I want to be a writer, I want to be an author, but I seen little things that I needed to know, and it's like, I know this already, I can write. But you know what? There were a lot of stuff that I didn't, and it made me a better writer. And I thank those tutors, and they were very encouraging. It's like, yes, you need to write. Yeah, so it was really, really good. Thank you. Yes, I would have to say, being a distant learner online, pursuing my degree, the Zoom helped me, whether it was classes, whether it was tutoring, that was made very available. And sometimes we would run into some technical problems. They came right along, and they were very patient, and they'll wait, like, okay, just give the instructions. And because sometimes like, I don't know everything about computers, but they just took me to the step, and then it was really easy. So I loved it with my instructors and with my tutors. They were just really willing to take their time out to care, to see my success go up to another level. So upon noticing that there was the Noʻeau Center available for me, raised up in a culture, the Hawaiian culture, you were always told to be seen and not heard. So it was just really hard to, I felt a little intimidated culturally. I felt like, oh, I'm not smart enough to go and get the help. But as I went over that threshold, I actually went and I just made myself go and call them, and I said, I need help. And they were right there, and they went beyond the call. They were above and beyond. And my experience here allowed me to stay steadfast and keep pursuing and keep running that race that is set before me. And I have so much nice things to say about the tutors, because they just like me, and they wanted to see me succeed, and they were a part of my journey, and I did succeed. I was not really a math person. So in psychology, there were statistics that you had to take, and I was afraid. I didn't want to do it. But when I called and I asked them for help, and they were just right there, so willing, and they helped me to understand and have a different critical thinking and the concepts of math. And I couldn't believe it. I passed. I passed it with a really good grade, but it's because of them. They helped me to get better. So my math was a good example of that. I lacked a lot of confidence. I was very timid. Didn't want to have a voice in anything. Didn't want to share. And Hawaiians say makahilahila, and that means don't be ashamed, And so, but in the past, I was ashamed. I never think I could be something or be somebody, but I did, and it built my confidence, and it took that bar up to another level. So now I am confident in those things. I would absolutely highly recommend the Noʻeau Center, especially not only for the traditional students that come in, but for the non-traditional students like me, who went through life and experiences and like coming back to school for a long time. Just want to let them, encourage everyone out there that they are there for you. You just got to reach out. Their hands are right there. Their ears are right there. I don't know what else to say. They're just the bomb. I mean, I grew and I'm just so thankful that because of them, they were part of my success. So yes, I would definitely recommend. I want everyone to know that you all have a purpose in life and that you're going to go climb a lot of mountains and you're going to hit a lot of valleys. But my advice is just to know your purpose in life. Know who you are, know what you represent, because you're made very unique and very special in your own way. And don't let anyone tell you otherwise. And one of my greatest quotes in my book so far is something that my grandson shared with me while I was going through a lot of challenges. And it's in Hawaiian. It says, "He a'ali'i maiau, a'ohe makani inana e kula'i," which means, don't give up, Grands. Keep on trying. So when you're pursuing your goal here and you're getting that tutor help that's made available for you, never give up. Just rise up above the circumstance, and you will get to the end of the race.